Ready for that first time home? Maybe a second home, kind of near the coast. Or maybe it's time to downsize. Well, there's some really neat features about 35 Pepperwood that we're going to share with you today. And one of the things I want you to keep an eye out for is what they've done in the kitchen to really open it up. This Laurelmont home is close to the pool, close to shopping, close to beaches. Let's check it out. For viewing 35 Pepperwood. For further information or to schedule your own private showing, call the number on your screen. I'm Jim with the Bishop team, your leading realtors here in Laurelmont for over 20 years, helping you make the right move in Orange County real estate.